Now let's simplify the irrational number. Okay, so how to simplify? If there is a perfect square under the square root, then we can simplify in the very easier way. But if there is no perfect square, then what to do? In that case, we will try to find the factors of that number. Factors we should find in a manner that there is one of them is the perfect square, right? Let's talk about the 20. Now factors of 20, there are many. We can say 1 into 20, right? 2 into 10 as well, and 4 into 5 as well, right? So we need to take the factors in a manner that we get the perfect square. Now see, 1 and 20, no. 2 and 10, there is none. 4 and 5, yes, 4 is the perfect square. So we need to choose the factors in terms that we get one of them as much as possible. If it is not possible, if it is prime number, then let it be. Like the square root of 3, right? We cannot find the factors because it is the prime number, then let it be. So how we will simplify this kind of numbers? So 20 we can write as the 4 multiplied by 5. Now square root of 4 we know very well, that is what? 2. So 2 here out, and of 5 we cannot find it, so it is 2 square root of 5. Very simple, right? Try to express in terms of the perfect square as much as possible. Let's talk about the square root of 45. Now think of this number 45. And remember, try to find the factors as one of them is the perfect square. That is what? 5 into 9. 9 is the perfect square, right? So let's express 9 multiplied by 5. Now square root of 9 is what? 3, and square root of 5 we cannot find it, so it is 3 square root of 5. This is how we express it, right? Let's discuss few more questions. Here square root of 12. So how we can find the factors? That is 4 3s are very simple. Right, so let's do 4 multiplied by 3. Square root of 4 is 2, and here under root, that is 3. 2 square root of 3. Simple. 54. Now factors of 54, again think in terms of perfect square. That is, I am taking 9 into 6. So square root of 9 is what? 3. And here square root of 6 as it is, because we cannot find the square root of 6. Then now 96. So 96 we know very well, that is what? 16 6. Square root of 16 is what? 4. And here square root of 6, here 6 will remain as it is. Done. Simple. 98. So 98 we can express 49 multiplied by 2. Square root of 49 is 7, and here square root of 2 as it is. Very simple. And square root of 20, 250. So how to do this kind of question? Simple. You can see the 25 over there, so separate it. So if you separate, that will be what? 25 into 10. Now square root of 25 is what? 5 here, and this we cannot find it, so it is 5 square root of 10. So this is very simple. We are going to use these steps again in the simplification or addition or subtraction of the irrational number. That's why we are discussing this topic. Very simple. Remember the idea. You have many factors to choose from, but always choose from which you have the perfect square in them, right? Like we have chosen. You can practice it and we can know how to simplify this one. Let's move to the next topic.